And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp application on your Redmi Note 12s. So if you need a second WhatsApp account and app for the work, for example, with separate contacts, numbers, message of course, just go to the Play Store, look for the search bar, tap on it and choose WhatsApp, but not for the normal WhatsApp app, we are looking for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp applications on one phone. Not yet, but we will. We have to wait a second. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second method for that. Go to the search bar like before and look for the dual space application. Choose one of them, like this one, and click install. And now just give me a second. Okay, we are ready, so we can open it. Agree decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and agree the terms. Allow permission and just tap on the WhatsApp icon to start the cloning process. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.